Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this 2000s grunge threshold effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I'm going to click right here, go to the bottom left of our timeline, go to new, create our adjustment layer right here. For the first effect I'm going to add, it's going to be noise. Turn off use color noise right here and increase our amount to 36. Close out our timeline. And then we're going to add tint. Drag in tint. It's going to be under color correction. Then we're going to close out tint right here. Then we're going to add CC threshold. It's going to be under stylize. Go to threshold right here. What you want to do once you add CC threshold is head down to our threshold right here. And you just want to mess around with the threshold right here to see how you like your effect. So I'm going to leave it around right here at 112. And then I'm going to close out our menu and save our project. And yeah, that's how you create this 2000s grunge threshold effect for your next music video or edit. If you guys like this video or you just learned something new, I would appreciate it if you were to like and subscribe. Peace out.